Have you ever heard of a crypto wallet? Of course you have, and you want to know which one is the best for playing at online casinos. Let's find out together. Now, to get the full experience playing at any crypto casino, you're gonna need the best wallet to keep your funds safe and easy to access. With so many options out there, how do you choose? Well, today we're gonna break down 5 key factors to help you pick the best wallet for you. Let's roll. Firstly, security. And this one is non-negotiable. Your wallet needs to be rock solid when it comes to protecting your funds. So always look for features like 2-factor authentication, deep encryption, and multi-signature support. If you're serious about safety, wallets like Ledger or Coinbase are supposed to be 2 of the safest. After all, peace of mind is priceless when it comes to your funds. Now let's be clear that all crypto wallets can be hacked, but overall, hardware wallets like Ledger generally are safer. Another thing to consider is control over private keys. Who holds the key to your crypto vault? You should, because wallets like Trust Wallet and MetaMask give you full control of your private keys, meaning only you can access your funds. But keep in mind that if you lose your key, your funds are gone too. While Coinbase Wallet is secure and user-friendly, remember that the exchange holds the key. But this also means they can help you recover access if you need it. Coinbase prioritizes security and privacy by ensuring account numbers and routing numbers are stored using bank standard encryption. But like practically any digital platform, Coinbase is vulnerable to hacking. So make sure to use unique, complex passwords for all of your accounts. None of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you got a favorite wallet? Drop it in the comments section down below. Next up is ease of use. You need a wallet that is simple and user-friendly, especially for quick deposits or cashing out your winnings. A clean, intuitive interface is a must. Wallets like Trust or Coinbase wallets are perfect for beginners because they make it super easy to manage your coins without any sort of confusion. Factor 4 is coin and token support. Different casinos accept different coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even USDT, so make sure your wallet supports them. Wallets like MetaMask handle many different coins, while others like Coinbase can limit your options. Always check if your wallet supports the coins that you need to play. And last but not least is compatibility with your favorite online casinos. You want everything to run smoothly, especially when making deposits and withdrawals. For example, MetaMask is perfect for decentralized casinos which use blockchain technology, while Coinbase wallets are better for centralized exchanges like traditional online casinos. Just make sure the wallet is a good fit for the platform you want to use. Wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.